The best road south of Great Smoky Mountains National Park east from America Rides Maps includes a guide to all these roadside waterfalls. Believe it or not, this is not a waterfall map, they just happen to be there.
This is a video tour of the roadside waterfalls found on America Rides Map, the best roads south of Great Smoky Mountains National Park east. When the companion to this map, the best roads south of Great Smoky Mountains National Park west, is included, more than 20 roadside waterfalls can add beauty and enjoyment to your ride through the mountains of the Carolinas. All of these waterfalls are either visible from the road or require only a short walk to view them. One of the most popular and visited falls is Looking Glass Falls. Second Falls is located at the Graveyard Fields pull-off on the Blue Ridge Parkway. It's easy to miss the falls at Flat Laurel Creek without a map. Blow right past Bubbling Springs Branch if you don't know it's coming. You'll definitely need a map to locate Cathedral Falls. I rode right past these falls for years. But you'll be rewarded with multiple falls at this stop. You won't have any problems with missing the stop for Whitewater Falls. While it is a fee area, and a quarter-mile walk on a paved path to get the view, this is the highest waterfall east of the Mississippi. If you're up for it, a long steep staircase leads to another viewing platform below. Another waterfall that's easy to miss from the road is Toxo Falls. You could drive right past it and never know it's there. Another often overlooked waterfall on the Blue Ridge Parkway is Woodfin Cascades. It can be hard to spot when the leaves are full on the trees or during dry periods. There's no way to get a closer view. Despite being just a short ride from town, Toxo Falls is another frequently missed waterfall. Whether you're making a first visit to the area or have been coming here for years, America Rides Maps will lead you to new roads and sites few others enjoy.
Visit us online at americaridesmaps.com to discover the hidden secrets of the mountains and the most extensive and exciting places to enjoy visiting on your motorcycle.